Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great in your life and learning these languages in a great way. First of all, thank you very much for clicking this video. I wanted to ask you something, and really, if you have a right answer for this question, then congratulations. Of course, you will be able to do a lot of things in your life. You will be able to achieve a lot of things in your life. Whatever you have decided to do, whatever you have decided to become, then definitely you will achieve. So, just I have a question for you that do you believe in yourself? What is your answer? Please, if what is your answer, please tell me in a comment box. I will check your answer. So I had a question for you. Do you believe in yourself? What do you think about yourself? In your inner side, what is your inner voice? I'm not speaking that what people they say about you, what anyone say about you. Just I want to ask you, do you believe in yourself or not? Definitely, if you believe in yourself, then of course everything is possible. Many a times we think that yes, I am I have a ability and I am a very good person. But because of some people, if any person they say you cannot do it, you have a this weakness, you have that kind of thing. When we listen, then we feel demotivated because I have seen many a times no one can motivate you, but everyone wants to make you demotivate. So what we can do, and how we can achieve something, how we can progress in our life. So just I want to say, do you believe in yourself or not? If you believe in yourself, then no need to worry about anyone, because this is the world, this is the society. Everywhere, no one can do anything for you, no one can do until if you believe in yourself. No one can believe in yourself, but if you believe in yourself first, then everyone will. I'm not speaking that believe in yourself it means you have to prove yourself that yes, I have something, yes, I have ability, yes, I have capacity. Not at all. If we are improving ourselves, so we are improving for ourselves, for us, not we are improving for anyone. I can say I'm not improving myself for the society, I'm not improving myself for the people. I'm not speaking that if you are improving, so you will have to do this that. Not at all. Whatever you are doing, keep doing, because it's okay. Sometimes what we think if I have started to do, and because of some reason if I will be not able to do, if I will lose, then what people they say about me. People will never say anything about yourself. If you will do something good in your life, then also they will criticize you somewhere. If you will not do anything, then also they will criticize you. So what we can do, people they have their own work. What we can do, I never think about anyone, really, because I know they have their own work, and really I don't have time to waste my time, because I know I value my time, because I know very well, if today if I will value my time, then my time will be value myself in my future. So so I had a question for you. Do you believe in yourself or not? Believe in yourself, because whatever you can do in your life, no one can do. Okay, I hope that you all are doing great. Okay, so just don't worried about the people, don't worried about the society. They have their own work. Do yourself, whatever you are doing, do, and keep doing, keep learning, keep practicing, because one day of course you will be improve a lot yourself. And of course, if you want to become a speaker like me, so of course you will be become a very good speaker. If I talk about myself, you know how I was that kind of girl. I did not talk with anyone. Really, I was very unconfident. But I never think about, like, I never thought about anyone. I never thought about the society. Just I had that time I only focused on myself. That is why just I am able to improve, and I have improved a lot. So believe in yourself and do whatever you are doing, keep learning, keep practicing. One day, of course, you will be able to become a very good person, best version of your life. Okay? Hmm. And I hope, guys, if you are watching this video in a day, so have a good day. And if you are watching this video in a night, so have a nice night. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.